Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today these are the two border designs that we're going to work on. And the first one, well actually both, I'm using Bic markers again. I love those markers. So what was I going to say? I'm so tired. I have only had 3 hours of sleep. I'm starting some new anxiety medication and it's really making me have terrible insomnia. So I'm drawing very early in the morning, and I'm not a morning person at all. Boy, my anxiety's been through the roof, and I used to get guilty that, I used to kind of feel guilty like, well, you know, I should have faith and I shouldn't be so fearful, and I finally realized that, you know, sometimes we need a little help with medication. I don't like taking meds at all, but anyways, I guess that's too much information. Anyways, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please hit that like button. That helps support my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. And if you hit that bell right next to the subscription button, you can get notified of my latest uploads. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Which one's your favorite border design? Do you have a favorite? What would you like to see? Or just say hi. So we're almost done with the first design, and we'll be moving on to the next one here in just a second. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.